have dark brown sugar, brown butter, and creamy peanut butter. You can use chunky peanut butter as well if you like a little crunch. And also salt. We're gonna beat it nice and fluffy. White sugar. Okay, it's nice, light and fluffy. Now we add in the eggs. 1 large egg and 1 egg yolk only. And the vanilla. The butternut flavor. You can pretty much add any flavor that you like, but definitely vanilla, and then any other extra flavor you like. Baking soda. And flour. You don't want to over-mix your flour, so this is good. So in here we have a mixture of dark chocolate and milk chocolate. You can put any chocolate chip you like. Whatever you like to eat for chocolate, you add this in. Now you're going to hand mix, so that way we don't want to over mix. Now it's ready to be scooped. You can scoop any size you like, but I like to do big cookies. So these 3, I'm going to leave it plain, and these I'm going to stuff. So I'm using a Godiva caramel medallion. So I'm stuffing this. Just break it in half, stick it in the middle, and just close it up. So I'm going to try with Butterfinger. Baking this in a preheat oven at 350. I put some ring around it so it won't, if it does spread, it won't spread to all the other cookies. So we'll see if these cookies spread or not. So I put these in the freezer. And when the cookie comes out, I'm gonna top them. So you want to put your chocolate in the freezer, and they peel out easier. It won't stick to your paper. You can see? See, it's clean. Preheated oven, 350. And this should take a total of 10 minutes. So we're gonna rotate this cookie at around 7 or 8 minutes. Let's check these cookies. 7 minutes has passed. And when rotated, ooh, these look so good. The unstuffed looks really nice. And these are the stuffed one. Okay, they didn't spread too much. Look at these cookies. Wow, perfect. Total 11 minutes. Just let this rest. You want to let you keep cooking on this hot tray. Once it cools down, you can touch it. Okay, while the cookie's still hot, we have these frozen peanut butter. We're going to push them right into the cookie so they will be pretty. Look, they look so great. Okay, we're gonna let them cool and we'll test them. Now we can remove the ring. Look at that. Didn't have to spray the ring. The ring keeps the cookie nice and round. So it's up to you. You can buy the ring or let it free form. So these are the unstuffed one. You can see. And this is the one that was forming the ring. It's nice and round. This is free form and unstuffed, and this has stuffing. And this one here, there was no ring, but it is stuffed. So they haven't cooled completely. You see the chocolate stuck to my finger. But let's taste. Look at this cookie. 3 different cookies. Look at the bottom. Came out really nice. 10 minutes was perfect. And this one with the ring on it. Perfect circle. And this one's unstuffed. So this is only sat a few hours, but the chocolate peanut butter cup here didn't set. You can put it in the freezer, and this will set very quickly. So let's see what this looks like. This is the unstuffed. See, it's very nice. And this is the one that is stuffed. Look like a nice ring shape here. Looks good. But you can stuff with anything you like. Let's taste. Look at how gooey that is. Mmm. Has such good peanut butter flavor. It's chewy, it's soft, crispy edging. Great peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. Let's taste the one that is stuffed. So you can see right here a layer of chocolate. Delicious. 10 minute, 11 minute the cooking time was perfect. Soft, chewy, crispy, all 3 texture in one. Great peanut butter flavor. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.